In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Ulta gift card. First, open the Ulta Beauty website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top and type in gift card. This will pull up the dedicated gift card page where you can choose how you want the card delivered. You'll see two main options. The e-gift card is delivered by email and is perfect for fast, last-minute gifting. The physical gift card is a traditional plastic card that's mailed to a shipping address. Great if you want something to wrap or hand deliver. Pick the format that fits your situation best. Next, select the gift card amount. You'll see preset options of $15, $25, $50, $100, and $200. Choose the amount that suits your budget and the occasion. Remember, the recipient can use the gift card across multiple purchases until the balance runs out, so any of these amounts can be practical. Now add the recipient details. For an e-gift card, enter the recipient's name and their email address. Take a moment to double-check the email to avoid delivery issues. For a physical gift card, provide the recipient's name and complete shipping address. You'll usually have the option to include an optional message. This is a nice place to add a short note or greeting to make the gift feel personal. When everything looks good, add the gift card to your cart. Navigate to your cart to review what you've selected and then proceed to checkout. Here, you'll enter your payment method. Ulta accepts credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Make sure your billing information matches your payment method to prevent processing delays. Before you finalize the purchase, pause for a careful review. Confirm the delivery method, the chosen amount, the recipient's email or shipping address, and any message you included. If everything is correct, click Place Order to submit your purchase. After placing the order, keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. For e-gift cards, a separate email containing the gift card details is typically sent to the recipient shortly after the order processes, though it can sometimes take a little longer. Remind your recipient to check their spam or promotions folder if they don't see it right away. For physical gift cards, the confirmation email will include your order details, and the card will arrive by mail according to the shipping method selected. That's it. Quick, simple, and a thoughtful way to gift beauty favorites.